Hello friends, today we will discuss how to do assessment using a Google Classroom. I created a Google Classroom called General Presentation and I've got a student rolled in. We will go straight into the classroom. We have to first go to this corner and find this little icon, click on it, scroll down and see the markings. By default it is given as no overall mark. We have to click on it and we can see other two categories, that is total points and weighted by category. You can click on total points first. If you want your students to see the marks, you can click here and you can make mark categories. Because this is a general presentation, I will make meta-analysis as one category and give 25 marks points. Systematic review, (25 marks points), RCT 25 marks points, and others 25 marks points. Once this much is done, we can save the settings. And go to the classwork. We can start assessment by giving an assignment to the student by clicking on the assignment. I have already drafted an assignment. So we can see the assignment which I have drafted, which is write a review of the following article which was presented last week. And we can create mark category as others and due date can be given as next Wednesday. Once this much is done, we can assign and this assignment will be given to the student straight away. Before that, we can do an important thing called rubric. If we click on that rubric, we can see that I have already drafted a rubric with two criteria. We can edit that and we can see that first criteria is identify the level, second criteria is identify the research question. We can modify this or we can add more criteria, and once that is done, we can save it and assign to the student. Once that is assigned, we can see that the Google will notify you, and once the student logged into the Google Classroom, he will get a notification in the stream saying that an assignment has been posted by your teacher, and you can go to the classwork and click on the assignment, expand it, and he can see the full question and also the expected rubric of marking, and he can create a document using Google Docs. Once the Google Docs document is created, that will open up and it will be automatically saved. Then once that is done, he can turn in. Before turning in, he can give some private comment to the teacher. And the teacher will get a notification that is the assigned has been changed into handed in. You can click on that. You can see that one student has submitted the handed in the assignment. Once the student has handed in the assignment, the teacher can click on the document which is submitted by the student and he can see what the student has written, and we can on the top see the original question and who the student is. we can see two tabs here. One is for the comments and other is for the marking. We have already created a rubric, so the student has rightly identified the type of article, and he has not identified the research question. So he will be getting this much marks, and the one is the marking is done and the comments are given. The teacher can return the marks to the student, and the student will be able to see it by clicking on the assignment. And you can see that this much marks was given. Once we open the grade book, we can see that the teacher has given a mark of this much